Hi, I'm Logan McCoy, Culinary Innovation Chef at Nestle Professional, and today we're talking Sweet Earth Awesome Grounds and Awesome Burger. Sweet Earth Awesome Smash Burger. Super flavorful, kind of messy, but delivers the ultimate plant-based burger experience in a delicious and familiar way. The Awesome Burger looks and cooks like a beef burger before, during, and after cooking. Searing the Awesome Burger on a flat top or pan develops a nice golden brown crust along the edge of the patty, really bring in that authenticity like you would get with a beef burger. Don't have a flat top? No worries. You can grill, bake, broil, and deep fry the Awesome Burger. The pea protein-based Awesome Burger is packed with plant-based protein and fiber with no cholesterol. Awesome Burger is the perfect vessel for vegetarians and flexitarian consumers actively seeking to reduce meat in their diet and switch to plant-based meals more often. If your reason is health impacts, environmental sustainability, or animal welfare, the Awesome Burger offers nutritious ingredients, satisfying texture, and juicy, delicious taste. Sweet Earth Awesome Grounds is the perfect gateway to incorporate plant-based solutions in traditional applications. So whether it's for a plate of pasta and bolognese sauce, a warm bowl of chili, or tacos, the Awesome Grounds cook and crumble just like cooked meat. Searing the Awesome Grounds develops golden brown color, a bite of texture, and added depth of flavor. Here we're using the grounds in a stuffed pepper application where we're developing flavors through aromatics like garlic and onions and finishing with fresh herbs. This soy-based meat alternative delivers operational efficiency and exceptional flavor.
Hi, my name is Doug McGowan with the Culinary Innovation Team at NPCIC, and today we're highlighting the Sweet Earth Mindful Chicken. For this chicken lettuce wrap, we're going to begin by shredding the Mindful Chicken in a tabletop stand mixer with a paddle attachment for a pulled chicken look. Alternatively, an operator can also use a food processor with a shredding attachment depending on the preferred size and texture of the desired menu application. This soy-based product is ready to eat and has a 7-day shelf life after thawing, which is ideal for applications like this chicken lettuce wrap or a prepared chicken salad. Whether braised, boiled, sauteed, stir-fried, or marinated and grilled, the Mindful Chicken pieces take on intended flavors well and delivers on a great eating experience.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel O, Culinary Innovation Chef here at Nestle Professional, and today we're going to be talking about nature's heart. It's all in the name, crafted from nature, made with heart. High quality ingredients from authentic origins packaged in a delicious mixture for the perfect, healthier indulgence. Full of authentic, natural flavors, these on-trend snack mixes provide the health-conscious consumer with unique and high-quality ingredients. These on-the-go mixes are packed with nutrient-dense seeds, nuts, and fruits like cashews, hemp hearts, dried goji berries, mulberries, figs, and coconut. Here, we're building a simple parfait with yogurt, fresh sliced fruit, and the pineapple chili cashew glazed mix, which is the perfect balance of sweet and heat. So, whether you're sharing or not, these snack mixes are made for any moment, anywhere.